Hello everybody, my name is Terry Santra and I'm the head moose at Purple Moose Designs. I wanted to share 3 different presentations that I can offer virtually to your group. The first one is called The History of the Sewing Machine, A Tale of Intrigue and Espionage. In this one it starts out as a PowerPoint presentation and we go over how our sewing machines came to be in our sewing rooms today. But not to worry, we don't cover any of the boring facts, just the salacious little tidbits, and there's some doozies. I'll follow that up with a little show and tell of some of the different items from my vintage sewing collection, and we have a little Q&A session at the end. The next one is called Needles 101. Whether it's hand needles or machine needles, we all use them, and I'm surprised at the number of people that don't really know that much about the needles. So in this presentation, I'll share with you how needles are made, what the different kinds are, when they should be used, when they shouldn't be used, and we cover both hand and machine needles. Now I hear you. Needles. Boring. Not really. I consider my first priority to be to provide you with fun and entertainment. If you learn a little something along the way, all the better. And the last one is called Every Quilt Tells a Story. This is more of a traditional trunk show, and now I've been in the business for over 20 years and I've been quilting for longer than that. So I'll share some of my quilts and I'll tell you about the design choices that I made and why, the fabric choices I've made and why. I'll share with you the mistakes I've made, probably can't tell you why, and you're welcome to learn from my mistakes or laugh at them or even both. And in this presentation, I actually share my very first quilt. And even though it was started over 2 decades ago, it's still not done. And the reason it's not done is, well, you'll just have to book the presentation and find out why. Now, I'm very well versed in Zoom, and I will offer your group a chance a day or 2 before your presentation for any of your newbies to come in, check out Zoom, see how it works. So when your presentation rolls around, they're able to jump in with both feet and have a great time. Again, my name is Terry Santra. I'm the head moose at Purple Moose Designs, and I look forward to hearing from you. But I look forward even more to meeting you and your guild virtually.